As DIYer or professional, can you store your paint sprayer overnight and come back to finish the job? Yes, you do, but you have to follow some very important steps. But before, I'm Nick, this is FixAllHouseThings, where I share real DIY projects to help homeowners to achieve professional results. So don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell, hit that like button. That's all I ask in return. Now let's get back to this. So, as you can see, I have this entry-level sprayer from Greco. It's Project Painter Plus, stored overnight, and today I'm gonna clean it up. I finished the job, but I want to show you how I stored it and steps I've taken. So when you finish the day, but there is still job to do, you do not want to clean up your paint sprayer over and over again. And especially if you want to come back next morning or within, let's say, 24 hours. I wouldn't extend further. What you have to do. First, remove your hoses from the bucket or can of paint, and they're most likely going to be looking like that, and they're going to be leaking paint. So just let the paint flow into your bucket and take a small bucket of water and just drop them into the water like that. That's good enough. The water is not going to let the air flowing into the pipes, and they'll be good for the next 24 hours. After you dip the hoses in the water, switch off your sprayer, put it in a prime position. For the spray gun, do not touch it yet. You want to make sure that the paint is still in your hoses. It's very important. Do not empty the hoses. So next step, get the bucket of water and simply dip your spray gun into the water, like that. And this will be enough for the next 12 or 24 hours. I wouldn't go further, especially depends on the area you're working on, the heat, the moisture. Obviously, if you're painting the apartment, this is 5.5 apartment. There was a lot of moisture, so I'm not worrying about paint drying within the hoses. That's important. You do not let paint drying within the hose. Now, what if you have extension wand, like this one, the long one? You cannot just simply dip it in the water. What you're gonna do, dip it in the water from one side, get your paint thinner from the other side. Put some paint thinner right inside, like that. It's gonna stay here. What I like to do is getting a piece of cloth, putting it right in, and then wrap it up with some plastic. That's good enough for 24 hours. Now when you come back, you do not do it in the reverse order. First, you take your hoses and make sure the water is drained from them. Then you put it in a bucket or in a can of paint, and then you prime. That's the important part. You prime, you make sure that the paint circulates in your hoses and they're good to work with. Then you remove your spray gun. So then you take another empty bucket and then you just spray the paint. You disengage the sprayer, you put it in a cleaning position, then you spray some paint in the empty bucket, and then you put in the spray, and that you test out the pressure, because most likely at the beginning you'll have different pressure. So test out the pattern, test out the pressure, and then you're good to go to continue. That's it. Thanks for watching, and as usual, let me know if you have any questions or comments down below. Cheers.